Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Muskan Gul, physiotherapist and product trainer at Orthotics. Today, I'm introducing the F36 ROM Safety Lock Knee Brace. Engineered for optimal recovery, it provides advanced post-operative support for ligament reconstruction, meniscus repair, controlled rehab, stable fractures, and more. Featuring India's first slide push-button mechanism for quick and easy ROM adjustment. Let's have a look at the locking mechanism of this range of motion hinge. The hinge features a simple slide push button mechanism that allows us to control both flexion and extension according to patient's prescribed range of motion. Starting with flexion, the flexion stop can be set at the required degree. Once selected, simply slide the push button to lock it in position. This prevents the knee from flexing beyond the prescribed limit. Similarly, for extension, we can select the required extension limit on the opposite side of the hinge. And when complete immobilization is required, both flexion and extension can be locked to maintain the knee in desired position. Soft condyle padding prevents hinge pressure and discomfort. Silicone lining helps prevent slippage during the movement. It features a detachable Velcro hook which can be repositioned for size adjustment, making the brace universal size and suitable for different patients. In addition, multi-angle degree slots are engineered for exact flexion and extension limits. Let's see how to wear this product. Available in universal size, measure circumference around mid-thigh, approx 6 inches above knee. Gently place your leg over the open brace, aligning your knee with the center hinge. Wrap the padding around your leg, thread the first strap to the plastic buckle and fasten securely. Now reposition the Velcro hook along the loop strap to tighten the fit, then fasten the second strap. Repeat the same process for the third strap. Reposition the Velcro hook to adjust tightness and fasten securely. Now attach the fourth strap located at the top of the thigh using the same step. Front straps adjustment has been completed. Next, we will adjust the back straps. You can reposition the Velcro hooks to get a tight, comfortable fit. Go through each strap one by one and adjust the tension. You can cut off the extra strap material with scissors for a cleaner fit. Carefully cut off the excess strap length with scissors. After adjusting both the front and back straps, the final product will look like this. Currently, the brace hinge is in the unlocked position, allowing the free range of knee movement. Let's see how to set flexion limit on the ROM brace. Setting the flexion angle to 40 degrees by sliding the blue lock button. Repeat the same step on the opposite side to set the flexion at 40 degrees. Knee flexion is limited to 40 degrees for safe controlled bending. Slide the switch to a desired angle for total joint immobilization, completely locking both flexion and extension. Once locked at 40 degrees, the brace limits movement to prevent flexing or extending past this angle. Let's see how to set extension limit on the ROM brace. For reference, we are setting the extension limit at 30 degrees, but you can adjust it to any degree as needed. Similarly, if you want to lock both flexion and extension, simply slide the top lock button down. Once locked at 30 degrees, the brace limits movement to prevent bending or extending past this angle.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of F36 range of motion safety lock knee brace. Stay tuned for more product insights and clinical solutions.